What's good, man? I'm gonna be completely honest with you. I started the intro from way back there just so that I could get a few more seconds into the video so I can probably get more ads and more profit, revenue. But yeah, at least I'm honest. You watching this video right now means you want to know when Kendrick Lamar is dropping, or you thought that the thumbnail was interesting, or you thought that I was a young, handsome fellow. But I disagree. I'm just a nigga in Paris. But yeah, onto the video. So I've been on YouTube and came across a couple of videos of people predicting that Kendrick Lamar would be dropping on the 4th of February 2022, which was a gosh damn lie. They were wrong. So I was laughing at them and thought to myself, why don't I just give you guys the truth, you know? So it's really simple. Man. All you have to do is just go to Instagram and just ask Kendrick Lamar when are you dropping? And I'll just wait for him to reply. I'm amazed at how many people don't know about this or how to do this because it's a normal saying. Ask and it shall be given to you. It's written in the Bible.